Shabbat Shalom. It is Friday, so that means time of rest. We went to Trader Joe's to get some ingredients for dinner and decided to go a little fancy. So we have shawarma chicken. It was already marinated. Got it at Trader Joe's. We got the rice going on. I put some saffron in here. Put some curry seasoning, and I also put turmeric and this seasoning that we've had, and I smelled it and I was like, okay, this will taste really good with the rice. Add a little bit of salt. So we got little tomatoes, and we got hummus, Persian cucumbers, and lavash bread. This is all gonna go as sides for our Shabbat table.
I'm locking it up in the last house I get to.
Universe, who has sanctified us with his commandments and has given us Yeshua, who is the light of the world. We bless you, O Adonai. We praise your holy name, for you are worthy to be praised. Your word is excellent. And there it goes, Vinny.